To insert your bobbin on a top slide plate, grab your bobbin so it's winding, unwinding counterclockwise. It's real important. You don't want it unwinding clockwise. You always want it counterclockwise. Flip up the center pin, place the bobbin over, close the pin, and put it in that little tiny slot right there. Now once you've put it in the slot, you're basically done until you thread the top. To thread the sewing machine, grab your top thread and run it through your top post, being careful not to create a knot. Then run it through your side post here. You can run it through all three or just two. Depends on the thickness and stiffness of your thread. All you're doing is straightening out the thread. Then come around your tensioner and up over the center post like that, so you've kind of hooked it up around there. Pull you out a little bit so you got something to work with, and go into the bobber and come up over till you hear a little click, and it actually goes on the other side of this little curved part so that your spring goes up and down. Then click it in to your holder, put it through your eye, click it through the holder again, click it through the middle holder, put it in the secondary holder. Some machines have another little holder right here. If you have it, put it through there. This one doesn't. Then you thread the needle left to right. Just about all commercial machines go left to right unless it's like a zigzag with a bobbin sitting facing you. Then what you want to do, lift up your foot. If you don't have a split foot, put it through the hole in the foot. And that's how you thread the machine. Okay. Alright, once you've threaded the machine and put the bobbin in, it's time to pick up the bobbin thread. So just grab your top thread and roll your machine by hand until the thread's picked up, pulled around, comes off the hook, and your bobbin thread is picked up. Wipe it to the side. There you have it. Making sure that the bobbin thread is underneath this triangle piece. You don't want it laying on top. You want it underneath so that it's going into the spring. You see how it's unwinding counterclockwise. Once you've done that, close your lid and you're ready to sew.